Want to speed up your language learning? Get access to all of our best PDF cheat sheets for free. Just click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account right now.
Hi guys, welcome to Cantonese Top Words. Today we are going to Happy Valley to see the horse racing. So before we go in, we're going to talk about some words about horse racing in Hong Kong. The first word is 跑马, horse racing. 跑马, literally to run a horse. 跑 means to run and 馬 is horse. So in a sentence, 我哋今日去睇跑馬咯. Let's go watch the horse racing today. 跑馬地 Happy Valley. 跑馬地 Happy Valley. So as you remember, we talked about 跑馬 meaning horse racing, and 跑馬地, the day at the end means the place or the location. So the place where they have horse racing is called 跑馬地. It's an area name, but in English it's Happy Valley. So it doesn't really translate to the same meaning. It's not called horse racing place or horse racing area, because we have two horse racing courts in Hong Kong, one in Shantin and one in Happy Valley. Shantin and 跑馬地. So Happy Valley, sometimes we call it 快活谷, which is the literal meaning for Happy Valley. Happy is 快活 and Valley is 谷. So we could call it 快活谷, but the official name is 跑馬地, and the official English is Happy Valley. So some history about 跑馬地, Happy Valley. Back in the 40s, British Army set up some military camps in the area, but a lot of them died of malaria. So it kind of became a cemetery area. So Happy Valley is a common euphemism for cemeteries. So that's how they name it Happy Valley. And later on, they decided to put a horse racing court there, so they named it 跑馬地 in Cantonese. That's why the English and the Cantonese meaning are a little different. So in a sentence for Happy Valley 跑馬地, 跑馬地啲屋好貴. The properties in Happy Valley are very expensive. Everything in Hong Kong is expensive, but in the area is a little bit more, because it's kind of quiet, because there's no MTR station there. You only take the tram or the taxi or drive there or walk there. So it's less crowded compared to other parts of Hong Kong. 騎師 Jockey. 騎師 騎 means to ride, and 師 is the person who do that verb, the person who do that thing. So Jockey for the horse racing needs to be very tiny, very small, or very lightweight. In a sentence, we can say that 騎師通常都係5尺幾. Most jockeys are around 5 feet tall, or even shorter maybe. I don't know, I never really stand next to a jockey. If you know, please leave us a comment. 電車總站 the final station for tram railway. So the tram, which we call Ding Ding, goes from the east to the west of the Hong Kong island. But in the center, where it goes to the Happy Valley, it kind of goes down, and there is a terminal there. So 3 terminals in Hong Kong Station. One in the west, one in the east, and one in the center, a little inside in the Happy Valley. So if you want to go to the horse racing course, you can take the tram, Ding Ding, and go to the final station, the terminus station. But make sure that the tram, the Ding Ding, says that they are going to Happy Valley, because they have some that goes east, some goes to the west, and some goes to Happy Valley. Just make sure you get the one for Happy Valley, and then you just wait until it gets to the final stop. 賭錢 to gamble. Literally, 賭 is the verb to gamble, and then 錢 is money, so to gamble money. Funny thing is, it sounds the same. 賭 sounds the same as throw away. 賭 throw away. So to gamble means throwing away money. And there's a slogan that government used for a TV commercial telling people not to gamble, like not to get addicted to gambling. So it is 沉迷賭博等於賭錢落海. When you're addicted to gambling, it's the same as throwing money into the ocean. Makes sense, right? So 賭博 is like the formal word for gambling, but normally when we talk about gamble, we say 賭錢. So 賭博 and 賭錢, they're the same, but 賭博 is more formal and usually in written form or formal situation. And for 賭錢, we just use it every day. So 唔好賭錢啊, don't gamble or don't gamble your life away, don't gamble your wife away, don't gamble your house away. So wish me luck for tonight, and I hope I won't lose a lot of money. I'm gonna gamble maybe a little, maybe a few bucks US dollars. So I'll see you next time. My name is Olivia, and good luck if you gamble a little. If you gamble a lot or you're addicted to gambling, please try to stop yourself. Please try to control yourself. And I'll see you next time. Hatsiki!
Great work! Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description.